So, I have been using this cast iron Dutch oven for about 7 months now, and honestly, I have had a few enamel coated Dutch ovens, but I wanted something a little bit more versatile and reliable that won't chip, and this one really grabbed my attention for a few key reasons. When it first arrived, it was pre-seasoned right out of the box, which was a huge plus. You can literally start cooking with it in the same day. That said, I do recommend giving it a light seasoning yourself before the first use. It really helps build that non-stick layer faster and gives better results long term. Something to keep in mind, seasoning results can vary depending on how long your Dutch oven has been sitting on the shelf. If it has been stored for a while, the pre-seasoning may have dried out a bit, so giving it a fresh oil and oven treatment is totally worth it and will save you time and effort in the future. One of the reasons this practical Dutch oven caught my eye was that I needed something that holds heat evenly for my sourdough bread. Compared to my enamel-coated Dutch ovens, I have found that the fully cast iron performs much better, and I get a more consistent crust, and my bread comes out with an even beautiful crust all around. I really like that the lid has a double use. That was actually one of the main reasons I chose this Dutch oven over others. The fact that I didn't need to buy a separate cast iron skillet was a huge plus, especially since I like to save space where I can. As long as you dry it well and rub a little oil on it after each use, it just keeps getting better. Mine has already developed a beautiful natural nonstick layer, and we're only 7 months in. The longer you use it, the better it gets. Just make sure not to put it in the dishwasher. That will ruin the seasoning and may even cause it to rust. Another big advantage over enamel-coated Dutch ovens is how versatile this one is. I can use it anywhere, on the stovetop, in the oven, or even over a campfire. It's a perfect all-in-one helper, especially when space is limited. In my opinion, if you want a versatile, durable Dutch oven that's perfect for sourdough and so much more, this Lodge Double Dutch oven is definitely worth checking out.